Welcome to Living Irving. We are going to be doing fake edges step by step. So if you have balding and thin edges like myself, then you want to watch this video. My name is Tanya and I create hairstyles for those who have traction alopecia, hair loss, balding, or thinning edges that may desire to wear their hair in a ponytail from time to time. So let's go ahead and hop on in. This is the Shine and Jam. I love this. Now, if you have very thin hair like myself, or you have my hair texture, a little goes a long way. And you just want to put a little bit at a time, just enough to smooth the hair up without it looking wet. Because if you put too much on here, it'll actually look a lot thinner. Go ahead and get our hair up into a high ponytail, and then I'm just going to make a little teeny bun and tuck my hair just down in the bun. Now the second step or product that we're going to need to go on with, this is the Got to Be Glued gel, and I prefer the black tube. Some people prefer the yellow tube, but I find that the yellow tube leaves like a white cast in my hair and it doesn't dry down clear. So I'm going to take just a little bit, and what we want to do is we want to make sure the edges are glued down, well, gelled down, and they're kind of hardened, because when we go to apply the fake edges, if this is moving, it's not going to sit right. I want it to stay in place, stay upright, so we'll know what direction to go with the hairs and it's not moving around. Now you are going to want to have a damp towel or something on hand, or some alcohol or something to spray your hands, because this does get a little sticky. And then I'm going to take my edge brush and I'm going to just slick everything down and brush everything up in the direction that I need my hairs to stand as we're going to be adding fake edges. And then once we get this combed up, we're going to blow dry it, and we're going to make sure that it is completely dry before we move to the next steps. We're dry and we should be looking like this, all slick. Now next we're going to talk about the hair. Now the braiding hair that I'm going to be using for the jumbo bun is by Model, but what I want you to notice is the hair texture. So see how it has that little bumpiness, like a yucky, and then if I put it up towards my hairline, do you notice that it's not quite the texture? It has those little ridges. The hair that I use is just some Bobby Boss hair, and it is in, I believe, the color 1B. What I want you to notice about this Bobby Boss hair is that it does not have those bumps and ridges. Do you see how it has more of a natural flow to the hair texture? And then when I place it up against my hair, it doesn't have those bumps and ridges. Now I prefer working with synthetic over human. I find that the human hair is more of a softer texture, so when you place it on the glue, it clumps up and it just makes it harder for me to blend it in with my natural hair. But I find it a lot easier to just cut the hair in small chunks. So I am going to cut the hair pretty short. I'm going to fold it and I'm just going to cut this in half, and now we have short hair like that. We're going to go in again with our Got to Be Glued gel. We're going to take a teeny amount, and then we're just going to coat the area that we need to add the edges. I'm going to do a little bit at a time, and we're going to stop about right there, go around the edge line. And so that is all that I'm going to do. We're going to add a little small amount at a time. I'm going to split this in half, and you're going to kind of just spread the hairs out with your fingers, and you're going to want to have your comb ready. I just like to fan this out. I'm going to move my ear down, and then I am just going to lay that down there and just comb that hair on in. We're going to do the same thing here, and we're just going to push it into that glue and take that comb, the back of that comb, push it down and then comb stroke the hairs in. So we're going to go right here and just add and just push that on in and see how it's starting to just fill in. So I'm going to go right here in this section and I'm just going to push that hair down in the glue. I'm just going to take a little bit of hairspray. This is just some Tresemme Extreme Hold. I'm just going to spray it a little light layer over this because I don't want it to fly away. And just smoothly comb the hairs in. But you have to be careful at this step because it'll start pulling hairs up. So you're just going to dry that in a little bit so that those hairs aren't moving. And then you can push that down a little bit. Press your hand down or smooth it. And then we're going to take a little bit of Got to Be Glue Jam. And again, a little pea size at a time, and just smooth everything down upwards. Whatever might be laying on the surface. We're going to take a little layer and just press that in. And don't worry if it's not completely smooth because we're going to mold it down. Some of the little hairs might come up and that's okay. And we're going to move on to the other side. So this is what we're looking like before the mold down. We're going to go in with these are just some wrap strips. And I'm going to put about 2 or 3 on here. I just like doing that. So what this does is this molds the edges down and it pushes the fake edges into your natural hair. And try not to tear this one up. Tie that in a bow. All right, so we still have this little top part right here that needs to be molded. So we're just going up with it. We want everything covered very well. And I do 1 layer and then I do a tighter layer. So I do use a lot of rapids. You don't have to use as much, but I want to make sure that I'm applying enough pressure on here. Squeeze, push my hand, any excess product or whatever on it. And you're going to let that just sit there as long as you can. 20 minutes minimum. And we're going to move on to the bun. It's a big one. See? I have edges. So there's some little gaps over here on this side. This is that side. You can definitely take a little hairspray and just enclose some of those extra spaces. What you do on one side, do on the other. I don't know if I'm feeling this jumbo bun because I'm not feeling it. You don't need all of that. We really do. So we're going to do a little small bun, and this looks a lot more natural. Big jumbo bun was too much was going on. I got a little bluntness going on here. I'm going to add 1 more. Just missing something. I don't know. I'm trying something new, but trying to do a bun. And I don't know if it's coming out like I want it. It ain't gonna work for me. Girl, I'm tired of messing with this hair. This is the final look, guys. This is what we're working with today. So as you can see, guys, I have some fake edges here. And that does it for this look. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment and let me know, was this a pass or a fail? Some days it bees like that. That does it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.